Hello guys, so welcome to today's class. Today we're going to be talking about a very interesting topic, and there's a reason why I said that, because I'm going to be giving you the functions of various vitamins and their deficiency, but I'm going to give you 4 of them, but I'm going to give you a lot of notes on that. Like, I'll be giving you notes, just be grasping it in your head. Okay, so let's move on to the vitamin A. Vitamin A is also known as the retinol. So the function of vitamin A is that it's needed for the formation of the normal growth of the body, and it helps to bring about vision, good vision, clearer vision. So it's very good for your eyes. Yes. And deficiency of vitamin A results in night blindness and xerophthalmia, which is also known as your dry eye, like the dryness of the eyes. So let's look at the second one. You see, this class is very quick. So the second one is the vitamin K. So your vitamin K is also known as your phylloquinone. So the function is that it helps to synthesize blood clotting. And deficiency results in hemophilia or hemorrhage, which is inability for your blood to clot. So let's look at the third one, which is the vitamin E, which is known as the tocopherol or aldosterone. So the function of this vitamin E is that it helps to protect the fatty acid and cell membrane of the body, yes, from oxidation. Yup. And it's needed for the reproduction in humans. So the deficiency of vitamin E is that it results in sterility in humans. So when you don't take a lot of vitamin E, or when vitamin E is deficient in your body, it results in sterility issue, inability for the person to give birth. Or even if the person wants to give birth, the baby will not be as healthy as someone who has vitamin E. Okay? So let's look at the vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as the calciferol. So the function of the vitamin D is that it helps to increase the rate at which calcium and phosphorus are absorbed by the small intestine, and is needed for the formation of healthy teeth in humans. Yes, and healthy bones, to hardening of the bones. Yep. It brings about calcification or hardening of the bones. Yep. And deficiency of vitamin D results in rickets in children and softening of the bone, a condition known as the osteomalacia and the osteoporosis. Okay, so in adults, osteomalacia for the weak softening of the bone, and osteoporosis for hole in the bone. So now let's move on to the notes class. I'm so excited because I'm going to be giving you notes and you'll be grasping it into your brain. So note that the vitamin needed for the formation of coenzyme involved in cellular respiration are vitamin B1, which is known as your thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin or nicotinic acid, and B5 is known as your pantothenic acid. Okay, so the vitamins needed for the formation of red blood cells are your vitamin B12, which is also known as your cyanocobalamin, and your folic acid. Your vitamin needed for the formation of coenzyme that synthesize amino acid in your body is called the vitamin B6, which is known as your pyridoxine. And the vitamin needed for carbohydrate metabolism in humans or animals is known as your vitamin B2, which is known as your riboflavin. And the vitamin needed for the formation of healthy and connective tissue and bones and dentine of the body, and also helps the body to resist infection, is your vitamin C, which is also known as your ascorbic acid. Yep, your vitamin C, popular vitamin C. And note, the vitamin needed for redox reaction to occur in living organism, and also for the synthesis of collagen fibers, is called your vitamin C also, which is known as your ascorbic acid. And the vitamin essential for the healthy skin in humans are your vitamin A, your vitamin B2, which is known as your riboflavin. Okay, Note, the vitamin needed for wound healing in animals is called your vitamin C. So you need vitamin C in your body so your bone will heal very fast. I say your bone, your injuries will heal very fast. So the vitamin whose deficiency results in anemia is called your vitamin B6 and folic acid. And the vitamin whose deficiency results in scurvy is known as your vitamin C. The vitamin whose deficiency results in diarrhea is called your vitamin B6. Yeah, this class is very interesting because I'm just giving you a note and you're just grasping it into your head quickly. So if you don't understand it, because this thing you cannot actually understand it very well, maybe except you are a fast learner, so you need to watch it over and over again because this thing is actually very important as a biology student. Okay, so let's continue. The vitamin whose deficiency results in pellagra is called the vitamin B3. The vitamin whose deficiency results in pernicious anemia is called your vitamin B12, which is called your what? Cyanocobalamin. Yes. And the vitamin whose deficiency results in cracking of the skin, you see your skin becoming very cracked around corners, yes, and dry, like your nose, your mouth, your eyes, and the condition is known as your angular chelosis or your angular stomatitis. So it's called your vitamin B2. So when you see crack around your mouth, nose, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, so any cracks around your body, the corners, is as a result of the deficiency of vitamin B2. I'm enjoying this class. So the vitamin whose deficiency results in beriberi is called the vitamin B1, which is called your what? Thiamine. I said it. I even said it in my short video. You understand? I talked about beriberi. So some minerals are very essential in the body. Yes. It helps to regulate metabolism, metabolic process in the body, mineral salts. It helps to balance your body fluid. Yes. So the deficiency of some certain minerals I'm going to give you. But firstly, I'm going to give you the functions of some certain minerals. Okay? I'm going to give you the functions. Then I'll give you deficiency. The deficiency are not very many, but I'm going to give you the function. So the mineral salts needed for the formation of thyroid hormone in the body is called the iodine. And the deficiency of iodine now leads to goiter. So you see, goiter is the deficiency of iodine. You see, it's swollen. It becomes swollen at the neck. So the mineral salt needed for the formation of hemoglobin is your iron, your cobalt, your manganese, your copper. Okay. So the mineral salts, which are components of bones, which help to strengthen bones, hardening of the bones, is your calcium, phosphorus, your magnesium, mainly your calcium. So the mineral salt needed for enzyme action is called your manganese. Okay. So the mineral salts needed to maintain the correct osmotic pressure of body fluid are your sodium, chlorine, potassium ions. Sodium and potassium ions. So that's it though. So I still have many notes to give you. So the mineral salts that helps to supply energy for chemical reaction that occur in the body are your, like the components of DNA and RNA, are your phosphorus. It's called the phosphorus, yes. And the mineral salts needed for the formation of ATP, DNA, RNA in the body is called the phosphorus, yes. And the mineral salts needed for utilization of iron in the body is your cobalt, your copper, your magnesium. And the mineral salt, which is a component of vitamin B12, is called your cobalt. Yep. And also note that the mineral salts, which is a component of blood plasma, which helps in transmission of nerve impulses around your body, and also needed for the normal cell membrane permeability of the body, are your sodium and potassium ions. sodium and potassium ion. I think this is all that we're going to talk about in this class. So see you guys in my next class. Bye.